Welcome to eSoftTools EML to Gmail Converter software. Click here to select EML file folder. Browse EML folder. Click Next to start scanning EML file. Scanning complete successfully. Click OK. Here are EML file preview and attachment. Click here to import EML file to Gmail. Here is some steps to enable IMAP from Gmail account. Here is the IMAP server from Gmail. Here is the server port number. Enter Gmail ID here to import EML file. Enter the Gmail password here. Click here to connect your Gmail account. Connection established successfully. Click OK. Click here to start importing EML file to Gmail. Import complete successfully. Click OK. Click here to finish task. Click Yes to close the software.